Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and power. Make sure your head unit supports external camera input and that you have a 12V reverse trigger. Next, gather trim tools, wire strippers, crimp connectors, and a multimeter so you can work cleanly and test as you go. Remove the necessary trim panels to expose the routing path, then feed the camera cable from the bumper into the cabin, keeping slack for adjustments. Once done, secure loose wiring with zip ties so nothing rubs or pinches. You now route the RCA video cable to the head unit, avoiding parallel runs with high current wiring to reduce noise. Once the cable's in, splice the camera's power lead into the reverse lamp plus 12V so the camera powers only when reversing. Install an inline fuse close to the splice for safety. Make a solid ground to a clean chassis point and verify continuity with a multimeter. After that, loosely reconnect connectors so you can test the signal before final assembly. You finish by securely mounting the camera and adjusting its angle for a balanced view. Tighten the hardware so it won't move. Next, configure the head unit input to the correct video source and enable reverse-triggered camera display. Make sure the unit recognizes the RCA feed. Test the system by engaging reverse gear. You should see the image immediately. If not, check the inline fuse first, then ground integrity, then RCA continuity. These three fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.